is Tutty. Very excited. Look. Because, guys, we got ayoda. Okay. Okay. Let's check what's in here. Tutty, you're excited? He's very excited. I don't know what's in here yet. Oh my gosh. So, let's check. Oh, rice. Wow. Look at that, Tutty. Yes, it's rice. Tomato. And another tomato. Yeesh, love. No. No, wait. Oh, I'll have to put this away for a while. Yes. Check in here because, wow, it's warm. I don't know what's in here, but it's warm. Oh my gosh. Again, guys, this is from neighbor. Wow. I think it's chicken. Yes, it's chicken. Cool. And here's more. I don't know what's this one. But it looks yummy. What do you think, guys? What's this one? It's really cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Lumpia. And another tomato. Wow. I'll have to get this one. And this one too. Oops. Okay. Let's put this one here. Wow. Oh, thanks to the neighbor. Time to eat. Oh my gosh. Oh, thanks to the neighbor. She gave me rice. It's really cool. Oops. Yes. It's hard to... Anyway, guys, the camera that I'm using right now is my Canon camera. I like to rice because I'm a rice person. Rice person. Yes, guys, I am a rice person because rice is life. If there's no rice, there's no life, I guess, for the tummy. Try one, and there's some of this too. Okay, not much because it has more here. It's chicken. Wow. Look at that, guys. See? Oh my gosh. I don't know what's in here yet, but I'll eat them. I'll eat this one first. Okay? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Pinakurat. Let's eat, guys. This one. It's really good. Just wait today. this one is sausage.
Hello. Oh, he's waiting. Good boy. This one is spicy, guys. We call that pinakurat. Really yummy.
Actually, guys, I was hungry. Mm. Mama will feed you with meat, okay? Later. Tutti is a good boy, guys. Tutti is a good boy. I don't give him much food while I'm eating. I just only give him food after.
I'll show you something, guys. Tutti eats rice with no meat. He eats because of the smell of the chicken.
I can give this to Tutti, chicken with rice, because he is hungry too. I'm using my Canon. It's hard to use the Canon camera compared to cell phone camera. Cell phone camera is very easier. Look at that, guys. My ring loose. This is my wedding ring. This one was just ring. Some people ask me why I'm still wearing my wedding ring. Anywhere I want, they said, but it's hard to explain. But I think I don't need to explain to anybody. You know, it's a very personal choice. I'm not ready to take this off. Anyway, guys, I'm full, and the food that I ate was yummy. I will finish this because this is yummy. And then the rice and chicken, I'll give it to Tutti.
There is rice and chicken for you, okay? Yes? Yes? You can wait? Okay. Good boy. I know you're a good boy.
Okay, I'll have to feed Tutti because he's been asking food. This bowl, this for Tutti, and the rice and chicken. Okay. Kusi-kusiin natin, guys. Oh, just wait. Tutti is excited. Ganyanin natin, guys. Kusi-kusiin. Tutti will like this, guys. Yes. Yes, Tutti, just wait. Yeah. tusiin natin. And then, after ko sa tusiin, we will mix them together. Yes, Tutty! I know, you're hungry. Here. Hello, Tutty. Hello, yes. Aww. Good boy. Oh, okay. Yes. Enjoy eating. Hey guys, it's dinner time now, so let's check this one. And I already opened the other one. So yes. Let's try this, guys. This one. It's big. We called this budbud in my country. I don't know how to call this in English, but yeah, in my country, in Bisaya, in my dialect, it's budbud. It's good. Okay guys, that was really good food from the neighbors. That was yummy. Did you like the chicken, Tutty? Tutty liked the chicken. Okay guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, hit like and share this video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I have new uploads. And guys, I have join buttons there guys. So if you want to click the join button, feel free guys. And I really thank you so much guys for your support. Thank you so much guys. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Stay cool and happy. Bye bye.